Okay, welcome back guys. So it's the end of wave 9. Ideally what I'm going to do is just keep pausing the video, so if it jumps that's because I've paused it. But basically got to cram 40 minutes worth of gameplay into 15 minutes, so I'm doing my best with that for wave 10. I'll just probably record the key bits of the wave. You see this is the end of wave 9. Kicks high. Yeah, no. I love it when units don't move. It's like, that's why I don't waste my units. I guarantee I'm going to do this wave 10 and something's going to screw up. He knows it. But it is doable. Obviously this is still wave 9. Wave 10 I use 5 flanks. The Titan up, make sure it's the base defense one. I forgot to say that in the first video. Base defense, twin Titan and 5 phalanx, but I was taking the phalanx on and off defense and letting the base do a bit of the work in between. It's just sort of knowing. Basically what you got to do with it, when the Titans come in, you got to clear as much as you can. It takes about 40 minutes. Clear as much as you can underneath the Titans, let it keep flattening you, and then when you get a clear shot of the Titans, then is the time to take the flanks in and bring the Titans down. Take a couple of tanks out in the process. But it's a long old game. So I just paused it there to get the initial lag out of the way. I haven't killed anything, just got flattened by one tank by the looks of it. So save as much time as I can on recording for you. Getting phalanx tech all the way through urban tactics, thorium. It's wave 10. Titan's not moving. There we go, 10 seconds later. It's always the same. He's sorting out. Now it is. Titan, Omega Titan coming in. There's about 4 of them. Lots of heavy tanks. So it takes about 40 minutes to do this wave. Just literally get out as quick as possible. Titans on open again, not moving. Then take some of the damage that's coming in with the Titans rather than hitting your base. Distract the units if you can. If your units move quick enough, I'm going to pause and refresh in a minute, because this is what happens. Everything's lagging. Took a unit out there. As long as there's the only time you're ever going to see me put the base defense on. Some new units up there, phalanxes up there, 6 of, 2 with little schematics on. Got them on Furious Hunt to try and get them Titans down. Turn the Titans around as soon as possible, bring them out. So let them do what they gotta do. Yeah, it's gonna cost you some damage, but Furious Hunt. Oh, that Titan needs to go. Done me again. I was just cutting my phalanxes because I screwed that up big style. So basically, you want your phalanxes not on Fury Hunt, just leave them. Hopefully they'll move. So you want them defending. That's the initial lag. Try and get both Titans selected quick. Not good. Basically, use I think what I did was ran them into the Titan, and I shouldn't have. Throw them round, let them do what they gotta do. As you can see, they pretty much screwed that whole side up. This Titan's going to have me this side now, so there's another one again. Try and get both Titans selected quick. Zoom out. Doesn't always work, but you need to be on them phalanx as soon as possible. Basically what I did the first time, I screwed it up big style. Didn't tell my tanks to do anything, and see there I put them too close. It won't select all my units now, but the Titans are coming. I don't know why that one's not moving at all, but it's not. There we go, now it moves. This is why I don't use base defense, because now all my tanks are screwed. But basically, what I did the first time, I controlled the Titans. Don't control the Titans. Put the Titans on Fury's Hunt as soon as possible. Get your phalanx. Position them further back than I did that time as well. Get your phalanx. Run down the one side that gives about 2 hours damage, then take them to the other side, run them down the other side like you would with howlers. So you're basically sacrificing 6 phalanx. I know it works, so I use phalanx. You run down the one side, run down the other side. Titans on Fury's Hunt, always. And you end up losing tanks, 6 of, but it doesn't leave much for the base to take out. And I can't zoom again. Awesome problems. I love Kixeye. They're great. And then it's a case of just taking out what's left. It won't zoom. That's all. That's what it's doing. Might even need to get a couple of howlers in there. Looks that way. This is when we first run them in, I did this with 6 phalanx, no schematic. For some reason, this time it's taking 12, but okay, whatever. So you're just going to use bring the Titan down. Good stuff. So I mean, it's all about the lag, because that has not killed one tank there, and yet I've just lost 6 on the other side. It makes no sense. Well, one Titan left in the middle, so it's half the DPS I was doing on the other side. That's wave 10, guys. That has just cost me 7 phalanx on that run. I think they just died a bit quick on the other side. 7 phalanx, near enough. One's at red line there, and 2 howlers are dead. I did throw a couple of howlers in there, but the lag killed them. It's always about that lag. I mean, if you know you've got to use a base defense platoon, always refresh the page first. You know what I mean? Clear your browser, all that. I have a lot of trouble with that. I'm always moaning about it. But yeah, 7 phalanx, 2 howlers I used on wave 10, so it's not too bad. Talking 5-6 hours damage. Suppose it ain't too good either, is it? But that Titan Op, base defense Titan Op's been key to this. If nothing else, it's a good distraction. So yeah, that was wave 10. Obviously the wave 10 prize is 2 elite juggernaut parts. Helpful to me because I don't have one, and I've got about 16 elite parts and 14 mil Thor. And obviously the funky camos if you can get within the time limits. So that's that done for another month or so with Invasion, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. Sark Samurai signing out.